Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to review the Amazon Basics Smart Switch. And that's exactly what this is. A very basic smart switch that's going to allow you to control it from your phone, just like this. But the Amazon Basics Smart Switch also works with Alexa, meaning that you can control it with voice commands and turn it on and off just like this. Alexa, turn on guest room. Alexa, turn off guest room. So the Amazon Basics Smart Switch comes in right around $20. Sometimes Amazon is running promotions and it's a little bit more expensive or a little bit less expensive, but it is a Wi-Fi connected smart switch that allows you to remotely control it with your devices or with a voice assistant. Now, it only works with the Alexa voice assistant. It does not work with Google Home or Siri, so you are locked into the Alexa ecosystem if you choose this device. It's got a little LED on there that shows you that it is connected and that it is powered up, and you can also just press the switch on and off. In my testing of the Amazon Basics Smart Switch, it's worked fine. It's a very no-frills smart switch with functionality on the Amazon Alexa app. That's where this is controlled. It's entirely controlled by the Alexa app. Once you're on the app, you can change the name, you can turn it on and off from the app, and you can also enroll it in other routines. And that's about the extent of what you can do with the Amazon Basics Smart Switch. Now, you can create schedules and have it interact with other smart devices, but you're doing that all through the Alexa interface and Alexa app because that's where this operates on. Some people will find it a benefit that the Amazon Basics Smart Switch works on that same Alexa app as all of their other devices, and maybe others with integrated systems with Google Home or Siri might find it a detriment because it will only work on that Alexa app. Now, in my testing of the device, it's been very reliable and easy to use because there aren't that many features to it. You can turn it on and off from the app, you can turn it on and off right here, and you can turn it on and off using Alexa voice commands like we just showed you. There's not that much else to the Amazon Basics Smart Switch. So I think the compelling value proposition for this smart switch is that it is a very cost-effective smart switch at around $20. Now, we've also got another video on the Amazon Basics Smart Dimmer, and it has a small price premium to go to the dimmer. However, if you are just getting started in the smart home space and want to try out smart light switches and voice control to see if you like them, this is a great option because it has reliably worked for me. It's very low cost, so you're not out a lot of money if you don't like it. And if you do like it, you can easily expand to more smart switches within your home. The Amazon Basics Smart Switch took about 15 to 20 minutes to install. And it's important to note that the Amazon Smart Switch does require a neutral wire for installation. So if you don't know what that is, take a look down in the description below. But we've also got an entire installation video that you can check out in the description below. But a neutral wire is typically available in houses built after 1980. But houses before 1980, they may or may not have a neutral wire in the existing switch box. So you just want to check that out. And if you're concerned or don't know what that is, once again, look in the description and we can help you out there with a video that's going to show you exactly what you need to know. So overall, the Amazon Basics Smart Switch has been a very reliable basic smart switch that allows you to remotely control your lighting from your phone or with Alexa voice commands. I haven't had any issues with it, and we've got a video that shows you how to install that, so check that out in the description below. We've also got a video that shows you how to install an Amazon Basics Smart Dimmer, so check that out as well. Now, if you like this video, please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and click any of the links below if you want to support us. Thank you.